right? So let's just look at what happens when you send the data to the server. So you can see here that we have 8 submissions, meaning to say that there are 8 questionnaires that have been sent to my server, right? So you can even see here that there is some kind of time here, all right? So let's just forget about that because I believe my PC is not recording time properly. It was, of course, supposed to be yesterday, but then it was not supposed to be this time. Okay, so here, what I should take note is that right, so here we can just click on this form. After clicking on it, you can see here we have several links here. They are known as links. So it means that you have a link which is known as collect data. You have a link which is known as the share project, and a link which is known as the edit form. And here we have a link which is known as the preview form. But now we don't need these ones. What we need to look at are these things. We have to look at the summary. In this case, we need to just concentrate on these things like this kind of analysis. So it gives some kind of analysis. So you can see that there is a graph right here, right? So we have a total of 80, right? So we have 77. All right, let me just explain it in this way. Each and every question is put in a same kind of analysis, right? So here we need just to concentrate on this one, which is a form. So this is our form. You can see it, right? From there, then you can just concentrate on the data. Yeah, so after clicking on data, you're going to see these links. These are also known as links. We have 5 links here. We have the table. So you can see this green horizontal bar, sorry, vertical bar. It means that we are on this kind of link. It means we are on a table. So this is the data, which is in a table format. All right, so here you can see that there is Moreland. In terms of districts, we have another form which is having Moreland as a district. Moreland. Okay, so since I said that it should collect 5 information or data from 5 individuals in other ways. So that is why here we have 5 Morelands, 5. Okay, so after there, then we have Lilongwe. Then we have 1, 2, 3. And we can go next. Have Kasungu, sorry, Kasumbi, whatever here. So here we have Deza, Lilongwe, Cheu, and all these things. So it's like each and every question is put in a table. So in terms of identification section, then in terms of a district, we have this column. And in terms of TAs, we have this column. In terms of village, we have this one. So you can see here that there is identification. Then we have TA, identification section. Then we have district. So this identification section is a group. So within a group, we have district, TA, and we also have a village. So we have another kind of group, which is known as the household composition. Then we have these questions, right? So let's just go to report. So you can see this line, it means that we are on reports, right? So I told you already that each and every question has its own analysis. So in this case, we have analysis in terms of the first question, which is all about the districts. So here you can see district, and we have Blantyre. So here it has given us a second of analysis, like you say, Blantyre, we have 8, and the percentage is 10. Then we have another Blantyre here. We have 5. Then the percentage is 6.25, right? So we have a lot of districts here. We have Lower, 2, then this one. So it means that we have 2 guys who collected for Lower, or maybe we have 2 respondents in terms of Lower district, right? So from there, let's just go down. The second question is about the TA. So you can see here, we have these TAs, we have Kapeni. There are 9 respondents who said that they are from Kapeni, TA. Then this is the percentage. So those who are from Kanyenda, there are 5. Then we have others who are from Chilamanja. You see, these TAs are the ones that you gave me, or maybe the ones that you collected, right? So someone collected Liwonde as a TA. So there are 2 who are from Liwonde, right? So let's just scroll down and have a look at another question. Right, so we have a question of village, we have Poli, we have Kasarika, Mamadi, whatever. So after that, let's just look at another question. This is a question of how many males live in this household. So in terms of number of males, it has given us some kind of mean, median, mode, and the standard deviation, right? So this is the presentation, okay? So in terms of female, we have this number as a mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. So you can see that Kobo makes some kind of analysis, right? So that's it. Okay, so let's just go to Gary. Okay, so when you click on Gary, what happens is that if you incorporate a picture, then that kind of picture is going to appear, or any kind of media. It might be a video, an audio. So audios, videos, or maybe pictures, or any file is going to be available in this apartment, which is known as Gary. All right, so if you incorporated a map, a question of map somewhere, maybe GPS, then if you click here, you're going to see the map here. So you can see that we have this kind of a statement says that the map does not show data because this form does not have a geopoint field, so we have not incorporated the geopoint field, right? So here, let's just go to download, all right? So now after the data has been, or maybe after the data have been sent to this kind of server, then you will expect some kind of analysis, right? So if you want to make some kind of analysis, you need to download the data. And when you download the data, it will be downloaded in different formats or types. So here you can see that it says select export type. So here it's the XLS. If you download it as an XLS type, it means that it is going to be in an Excel format. All right. So here there are a lot of types here that you can choose. All right. So let's choose XLS. But now what I should take note is that sometimes when you have downloaded a file in form of XLS, then when you go to data analysis, maybe you want to analyze data using Spss or maybe Stata, you may find that some labels are missing, right? Some values are missing. So what can you do to make sure that all the values are available? All right, to do this thing, you just need to download two different files. So the first one is in this form, that's the XLS. And here in terms of labels, you just need to, in terms of values and the head format, you just need to click on drop down arrow here, and you need to choose this one, right? So it means here we have XLS, here we have XML values and the headers. Once you do that, you need to click on export. All right, so this is the second one. So we need to click on download. So you can see that it is downloading and it has finished downloading. You can even verify with me that this is now in Excel format. You see now, all right? So you can even see the date here. It's 17 and the time it's this one, all right? So another file, to download another file, what you need to do is just to choose Spss labels, all right? So Spss labels. From there, here you need to choose labels and go to export. So here it is the processing. We should wait a bit, all right? So here we can download. So here it is downloading and it has downloaded already, okay? So once you do that, it means that you have downloaded two separate files, all right? So this is the end of this kind of lesson, right?